Hey everyone, Linus here. I'm super excited to share something with you today. Today we're talking about something essential for anyone who wears glasses, has a phone, or any kind of screen. The SIGONNA Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. This little piece of fabric is a game changer. This isn't your average cloth. It's a cut above the rest. It's designed specifically for delicate surfaces like glasses, phone screens, and even camera lenses. You can trust it with your most precious gadgets. No more smudges, no more scratches. Just a pristine, clear view every single time. Just crystal clear clarity every time. Imagine never having to deal with annoying smudges again. The SIGONNA cloth comes in a variety of fun designs. There's something for everyone, whether you like something simple or a bit more colorful. Don't let the playful designs fool you. These cloths mean business when it comes to cleaning. This cloth is serious about cleaning. It tackles dirt and grime with ease. It's thick, soft, and gets the job done right. You'll feel the quality the moment you touch it. So, why settle for less when you can have the best? One of the biggest worries with cleaning cloths is scratching. It's a common fear that a simple wipe could lead to permanent damage. Nobody wants to damage their expensive glasses or electronics. These items are investments, and keeping them pristine is a priority. The SIGONNA cloth is different. It's designed with care and precision. It's made from ultra-soft microfiber. This ensures a gentle touch every time. This material is gentle on even the most delicate surfaces. Whether it's your glasses, camera lens, or phone screen, it handles them all with care. The special weave of the microfiber grabs dust and oil without scratching. It's engineered to be both effective and safe. It's like a magnet for smudges. No more worrying about streaks or residue. The best part? You don't need any sprays or liquids. Just the cloth itself is enough. The SIGONNA cloth cleans effectively with just a few wipes. It's a simple yet powerful tool for everyday use. The SIGONNA cloth doesn't just feel great in your hand, it's also great for your gear. The high-quality microfiber is incredibly soft. You won't believe how smooth it feels. It's like a cloud for your glasses. Measuring in at a generous, insert dimensions here, the SIGONNA cloth provides ample surface area for cleaning. This means you can cover more ground with each swipe. No more tiny cloths that require a million wipes. Section 4. Built to last. Unlike disposable lens wipes, the SIGONNA cloth is built to last. It's designed to withstand the test of time, providing you with a reliable cleaning solution. You can wash and reuse it hundreds of times. Each wash rejuvenates the cloth, making it as effective as the first use. It's the eco-friendly and cost-effective choice. By choosing SIGONNA, you're reducing waste and saving money in the long run. Simply hand wash the cloth with mild soap and water. The process is quick and easy, ensuring your cloth is always ready for use. Let it air dry and it's good as new. The cloth dries quickly, so you can get back to cleaning in no time. This durability is a game changer. It means fewer replacements and more consistent performance. No more constantly buying disposable wipes. Make the switch to SIGONNA and enjoy a hassle-free cleaning experience. The SIGONNA cloth is an investment that keeps your devices clean for the long haul. It's a smart choice for anyone looking to maintain their gadgets in pristine condition. Section 5. Pocket-sized perfection. The SIGONNA cloth is incredibly convenient. It's lightweight and compact, making it easy to take with you anywhere. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the go, you can keep your devices sparkling clean. Each cloth comes individually wrapped. This keeps it clean and ready to use. No more searching for a lost cleaning cloth at the bottom of your bag. Section 6. Perfectly clear vision. What users say. Don't just take my word for it. Users love the SIGONNA Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. They rave about its softness, effectiveness, and adorable designs. One user said, "These cloths are amazing. They clean my glasses perfectly without leaving any streaks. Plus, the kitten designs are so cute." Another user commented on the value, saying, "You get so many cloths for the price. They're great for glasses, phones, tablets, everything." Section 7. Crystal clear choice. The SIGONNA Microfiber Cleaning Cloth is a must-have for anyone who wears glasses or uses electronic devices daily. It's soft, highly effective, and built to last. The variety of fun designs and the affordable price make it a no-brainer choice. Say goodbye to smudges and scratches, and hello to crystal clear clarity and brilliance.